Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Open market operations sounds tricky, but this one is fast if you focus on what the central bank is actually changing in the banking system. Open market operations are when the central bank buys or sells government bonds, and that action directly changes how many reserves banks hold, not the reserve requirement or budget balance. When the central bank buys bonds, money flows into banks, reserves rise, and the banking system has more reserves available. So watch this. The supply of reserves increases. When it sells bonds, reserves leave banks and the supply falls. So either way, open market operations are about changing reserves, which makes option D correct. Well done! Option D, scan now. The trap is rushing signs. The rule is trust what is given and check the steps carefully.